With St. Callistus, we have just completed all the demo. So at this point, the project is ready to start construction. Right now, it's a big empty space. By the end of the month, you're going to have walls and a lot to see at that point.
Well, the St. Callistus Chapel and Crypt project is really the final phase of Christ Cathedral. So a lot of people are excited about that. But especially the St. Callistus parishioners, the original parish, they're very excited. They were not sure at the beginning what it's supposed to look like, but now that they've seen the renderings, they've seen the construction background, and they came to many of our events, more than ever, I think we've gotten them not only excited, but feeling very touched that Bishop Kevin Van has remembered them in his plans. And I think that speaks to the community of faith that we are part of here at Christ Cathedral, Garden Grove. But I think St. Callistus is going to be the shining star. St. Callistus Chapel is going to be something to be part of when it opens in 2024.